topic of the day is shaving your face. I see my esthetician once a month where she does dermaplane, which is shaving your face, and she uses a scalpel. But I need to do it every 2 weeks to really keep the facial fuzz at bay. So I have been using Jill razors for a long time, and when they reached out to me, they could send me the starter pack, I was an immediate yes. Dermaplaning or shaving your face does a few different things. One, it gets rid of facial hair, obviously. Two, it also takes that top layer of dead skin off, so it leaves behind beautiful glowing skin. And three, it really affects how your makeup lays on your face. It looks so much better. Now, if you're new to shaving your face or dermaplaning, no worries. Jill includes a starter guide to help you do it. But really, it's super easy. The starter kit, you get a handle with the blade already on, as well as replacement blade. One thing I like about the Jill razors is you throw just the blade away and you save the handle. The other reason why I love this razor in particular is it's much smaller. I have much more control with this smaller blade than I do with the longer blades. I find that I get a little too close to my hairline or even my eyebrows. You need to lay something down first so that it provides glide. I really love an oil cleanser. I find this keeps it clean. Make sure that you're not putting dirty germs on your face, but it also provides the perfect amount of glide. Some myths about shaving your face. The first one I've heard is your hair will grow back and it'll be thick and dark. Myth number one, that is not true. A little clump of fuzz, gross. The second myth is it hurts. It does not hurt. It's actually very satisfying. Myth number three, it causes you to break out. It does not cause you to break out as long as you're using a clean tool, as well as washing your face afterwards and making sure that you're keeping everything germ-free. I love how tiny this blade is. Just see how it gets right up in there. Another myth is that you're going to cut yourself. The esthetician office, she uses an actual scalpel, which is an unprotected blade. See that? This blade is protected. It has tiny little ridges on it. Now you can, if you're pressing too hard, you're gonna scrape your skin, but you just want to use the lightest of touches and let the blade do all the work. You can get Jill as a subscription. It'll save you money. You're in full control of your subscription. You set exactly when and what replacement razors, and you just keep your handle and get rid of these. If you have a unibrow, this is absolutely perfect. It is so small. You have so much control. You can clean up around your eyebrows very, very easily. I'm double checking, but my face feels amazingly smooth. After you have completely dermaplaned, you need to wash your face. If you truly want glowing skin, dermaplaning is a great step to add to your skincare regime. I can't recommend it highly enough, and Jill is the best way to do it.